This video walks you through how to add a billing contact to a matter in Clio Manage. Once you are already signed in to Clio Manage, start from the left-hand navigation menu and click Matters. This opens your Matters list where you can locate the matter that needs to be updated. Find the correct matter and open it so you are working inside that record before making any changes. With the matter open, click Edit Matter. This takes you into the matter settings where the client details and billing options for that matter can be updated. After the Edit view opens, look to the left-hand Sections menu and select Clients. In the Clients section, review the client or clients that are currently associated with the matter. This is the area to focus on if you are trying to make sure a contact is tied to the matter for billing purposes. In the current Clio Manage interface, there is not a separate Add Billing Contact option shown under Billing Preference, so the contact needs to be handled through the client options available here. From this client section, add or select the appropriate contact that should be associated with the matter for billing. Make sure the contact you choose is the one you want connected to this matter before moving on. This updates the matter so the correct contact is included in the client association for billing related use. If you also need the bill to be divided between multiple clients, move next to the Billing Preference section. Open that section and scroll until you see Split Invoice. At that setting, select Split the Invoices for this matter. This changes the billing setup so the matter can use multiple client billing allocations instead of sending the full invoice to only one client. After enabling invoice splitting, configure the split using the client billing options that are available there. Set the billing arrangement according to how the invoice should be divided among the associated clients. Take a moment here to review the selections so the split matches the intended billing setup for the matter. When all changes are in place, save the matter to apply them. Saving is what records the updated client association and any invoice split settings you changed in billing preference. Once the save is complete, the matter will reflect the new billing contact arrangement based on the clients connected to it. Thanks for watching. The matter now has the updated client association for billing, and any invoice split settings have been saved.